What do you think, friends? The plants that have the aerial roots are easy growing than the stems that doesn't have. Plants like these Dracaena plants will have to put cuttings in water to propagate where there are no aerial roots. From the stems they grow. So plants like these beautiful wandering Jew, spider plant, money plants are very easy because the aerial roots are already there in the baby plants which we normally do cuttings. Friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today is a very windy day. There are many leaves fallen onto my plants, and today I thought of doing a video, especially during these monsoon seasons. What are the plants that you can grow really very easily? Easy growing, permanent and low maintenance plants. So let's get into the video. This is philodendron and also another beautiful house plant, indoor plant, and also one of the permanent plants. During the monsoon season, you can easily grow these plants from cuttings. This is philodendron, golden philodendron. There are many varieties too. You can grow from these aerial roots where they are appearing. You can cut a small stem and either put it in water to propagate, or else you can put it directly in soil. So these plants are shade-loving plants, all are permanent indoor plants and also best house plants. So try growing this beautiful philodendron during the monsoon season from cuttings. Friends, this is wandering Jew plant, and also this plant also grow from the aerial roots. Many plants you can grow easily with the aerial root area. So every stem has a aerial root. You can see there are many. So from these leaves you can make and multiply money plants. So that is also very easy to grow plant, one of the permanent and low maintenance plants. Spider plants, there are these small baby spiders appearing in the plant, and from there you can multiply very easily from the root area, either in water or else directly in soil. Flame violet plants also very easy to grow plant, and there are, you can see roots appearing in every stem of the plant, and you can easily put them in soil to make more plants. These plant, friends, you can grow like weeds. Once you have all the colors green and this brownish red one, you can put and multiply many plants. So this is another plant which you can easily grow. There are many aerial roots in the Swiss cheese plant. Here you can see, if you cut it from here and put it separately in a pot or in water, this also be another plant. So likewise you can multiply them very easily. From the node area you can cut and you can separate it from the mother plant to make free plants. Beautiful varieties of pothos plants. Here are the node areas. You can see the aerial roots appearing. Syngonium plants, another plant which you can easily grow and multiply. This plant also you will see node and also aerial roots appearing. So from there you can multiply and make free plants out of them very easily. Now you can see these are the aerial roots. See how fast they have grown, and also they are holding my parapet wall. Look at this beautiful and huge money pothos plant. It is holding from only the aerial root. If you can see, there are no any other soil here. The soil and the stem is down there, and this is growing attached to the parapet wall. The beautiful easy to grow plant during the monsoons are these ZZ plants as house plants. These plants also you can grow from cuttings very easily in pots, or else you can grow from these leaves. So this plant also try growing in small planters. First put the leaves to propagate in water, or else try growing them from the stems. So stem cuttings are also very easy to grow. It will take about 2 to 3 weeks to develop roots. Keep them in a shady area where they will get the partial to medium sunlight for their better growth. These are permanent plants and also low maintenance plants. Add some stems of these beautiful Pedilanthus in a small planter, and you will see during the monsoons they will also start rooting. Keep them in a shade and also provide them a little shady area in your garden, or else this is a best house plant and one of the easy growing plants from stems. So during the monsoons try growing Pedilanthus, or this is called as the devil's backbone. During the monsoon season, you try growing some plants from cuttings, especially plants where they got aerial roots like these wandering Jew plants, very low maintenance, permanent and easy growing. Or try growing some pothos plants. Get varieties of pothos plants in different planters to propagate and make more free plants. Make more and more plants so that you have a collection of house plants with you. So you can have a collection of these beautiful house plants. You can give them or else you can keep them as free plants and also make a wonderful garden. So add these beautiful, colorful, variegated leafy plants in your garden from cuttings, especially during the monsoon season. These plants are ideal because they also grow from stems and also from these aerial roots. So you can cut this leaf even and put it in propagator in water or else in soil. Of these beautiful pothos plants varieties and put them in soil or in water directly, you can see how they propagate very easily. Only to find the aerial root area in your planters and take the cutting and also put them in water. You can easily grow Aralia plants from cuttings. These plants are very easy to propagate. Now you can see I have put some cuttings at the same pot. And these plants also are ideal to grow in during the monsoon season. Another variety of beautiful Aralia plant. Dracaena varieties also you can grow from cuttings. This is a beautiful colorful plant. So you also can propagate them in water and also in soil both. So ideal time during the monsoon season. This is another colorful Dracaena. Cuttings of crotons are ideal to grow during this time. They are very easy growing plants, very low maintenance, permanent. Try getting many varieties, colors to add a decorative look to your garden. Best hedge plants. Croton plants variety comes in many beautiful colors, variegated and also beautiful, colorful. Very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent plants. You can just put them in soil. Rilla plant cuttings, put them in small planters. Get them to grow. Keep them in the shade. Beautiful variegated leafy plant. If you do not have these beautiful lucky bamboo plants, add them in your garden. This is the best time. Monsoons are on. Just put them in soil. You can easily grow them. These are low maintenance and permanent plants. The variety of Dracaena. Adding many cuttings of plants in your garden during the monsoon is ideal, and this is a great idea to multiply your plants or grow them very beautifully in your garden, because this is the best time of the year for you to grow really very beautiful cuttings.